I'm Sean Roth from Diamanti. For those of you that aren't familiar with us, we're based in San Jose, California, and the company was founded on the vision of creating a platform, an entire turnkey solution to deploy applications on Kubernetes in production. So that's really what the Diamanti Enterprise Kubernetes platform is all about. So I'll put our value proposition into a little context here. So, we've covered a lot of the core challenges of adopting containers and Kubernetes, and really what we set out to address was, how are we able to streamline the process of building the Kubernetes stack? And so, when you want to deploy containerized applications on Kubernetes, you look to the technologies that you currently have and figure out, how do you reconfigure them for production Kubernetes and containerized applications? And that involves a ton of work, and we've seen that across our customer base. Storage and networking are two of the most significant challenges, as we all very well know. They don't follow the simple declarative model offered by Kubernetes for CPU and memory. And so, a lot of work goes into this. And secondly, once you've built your Kubernetes stack, how do you support it? You're looking at several different vendors across storage, networking, servers, and software. And then how do you enable your developers to get what they need to develop their applications? And then third, this is probably the most significant challenge and was a very big theme at last year's KubeCon, is what happens when you've got multiple Kubernetes environments, both on-prem and in the public cloud? How do you manage all of that centrally? How do you keep all of that going? So infrastructure clearly matters at every step. And so what we offer is a complete turnkey solution for deploying applications on Kubernetes. So top to bottom, we give you the entire stack. We deploy as a 1U appliance. So this is a hyper-converged architecture that includes CPU, storage, and networking. We effectively use your existing network. So when you install the Diamanti appliance, we connect to your layer 2 switch, and all of the storage and network processing is offloaded from the CPU and done at the PCIe layer. By doing so, we're able to guarantee per container quality of service. There's no hypervisor, so this is a bare metal architecture. And it's also actually more secure by segmenting out storage and network traffic. Makes the platform inherently more secure. And on top of that, we give you unmodified versions of Docker and Kubernetes. So the experience of using the Diamanti platform really plays well with open source. You're not locked into our platform. You can move your workloads to and from your Diamanti deployment. And so we support the entire solution top to bottom, whether you have an issue with Kubernetes or Docker or any of the elements down the stack. There's one number to call, and that's us. So it'd be great to chat with you further. Please come seek us out on the expo floor. We're at booth SC29.